And today we have one of the sweetest girls I know, and it's actually pun very well intended. She's a noted pastry chef, and actually, she was the first person who started her macaron. That's how the French pronounce it. Macaroon store in India, and how wonderful that she's joined us already. Hey, Pooja! Hi, how are you? You're already in the kitchen.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
You're ready, and my God, we're so excited to have you with us. And I can see my husband leaving the building because I'm terrible with these things. I'm such a techno spaz. But this is so wonderful that you agreed to come on board and have this fireside chat with me. And I know in this quarantine time, all of us have become wannabe puja dingras.
I'm afraid I don't know if I'm going to have a job after all of this is over. Everybody's baking.
Trust me, no one can do it as well as you do. Okay, you kill it. So I've been a patron of yours. I've been a fan of what you do, and
You were one of our first few customers.
True that. I remember doing cupcakes for Diwali, and this was like years ago. I think you brought red velvet into fashion in Mumbai, and it's a huge compliment. So tell our audiences who have joined us. We've got quite a few of them right now with us. How did you grow to like baking, and what is it that made you into the entrepreneur that you are today? And what made you decide that you were going to open your first store, La Patisserie, La 15, as people know it, in Mumbai?
So I started baking at 6. I was in my aunt's house, and I used to be a kid who was like always like too energetic, used to get bored really fast, so she had to entertain me all the time. So she's like, "Chal, I'll teach you how to make brownies." And I think that whole process of seeing eggs, butter, sugar, flour, like such normal ingredients, transforming into something so magical and just bringing so much joy, I was hooked. So I started baking since then. All through my teen years, I used to bake every weekend, take goodies to school. So obviously, I was a very loved child in school because I was bringing dessert and chocolate. So I wasn't a topper, but I was the most loved. The teachers loved me as well, so it was great. And then I went to law school for 2 weeks, and I thought that
You're a lawyer. Can you believe that?
No, I'm
What a
not.
shift.
I'm not.
Okay, at least half a lawyer.
Little pinch. I thought I wanted to go to law school. 2 weeks in, I was like, this is not it. Like, I can't.
This is not your love. This isn't your calling.
Yeah. And then I moved to hospitality school, and the first day in, so you had to go through all the different kitchens, and I still remember the hot kitchen, like, it was not for me. I was just like, this is terrible, I hate the kitchen. And then I went into the pastry kitchen, and I was like, this is it, this is my life. And then I went to Cordova, I studied pastry there, worked in a chocolate shop, which was incredible. 3 months, I did an internship in Paris. And then I came back and started Love 15. It's 10 years old now.
It's fantastic, and we still can't get over the stuff that you do, and I love it. So my Sunday binges most of the time come from your place. So yeah, today, while we're all at home and we're in this unprecedented situation, and we're trying to make ourselves happy with baking, cooking, because I really think that it's an art that is very therapeutic. But we're still, while we're in the kitchen trying to do something for ourselves and keeping ourselves occupied, trying to, teach a new art to our kids. But my son loves to bake, and he's perpetually in the kitchen. I literally have to yank him out of the kitchen. So gosh, I have another little mini dhingra at my house. But no, I really want to know, you need to give us some hacks in the kitchen, because there's so many times that I've baked, and I've tried to use different flours, trying to, I try not to use refined flour, refined sugar, you know me.
When my son say like all the things that I've made at Love 15 that are like completely different, it's like because you told me, no, you can't use sugar, you can't use color, you can't use this. And so I'm always sitting like, okay, what do I put in her cake? But so which is why I'm ready, I'm prepped for it. I've got years of
I know. I remember sending you packets of coconut sugar to bake my son's cake, and it did turn out a little hard, but I'm sure there are ways around. And you know, when when you experiment with new stuff, you have to get the hang of it. And it's not going to be perfect the first time around. So obviously, you are someone with experience. Give us some advice on how to go around things when you're using when you're using sugars that are sugar substitutes, for example.
Correct. So I think the main thing for me that I've learned in this quarantine is to kind of make do with what is available at home. So not too many people have the access to like caster sugar, what you would normally use in baking, or use like brown sugar, which I normally like to substitute. But what I found in my home kitchen is jaggery. So good is just easily available in India, like all our factories have it. So I've been making jaggery powder and using that as a substitute. Obviously, jaggery has a specific taste and it has a little flavor that it adds. But if you add any sort of essence to your cake, so if you're using jaggery and you add like a fruit essence or a vanilla essence, that kind of balances that strong jaggery flavor as well. I personally like it. So if you like it, like today the cake we're going to make has jaggery in it, and it's quite nice. It's like this caramel.
Tell us what you're going to make for us. So when I called Pooja, I said, like my son's birthday is on the 21st of May, and I have to bake for him because Love 15 is shut, and he saw that cake that you do, the rainbow cake, and he insisted that he just wants only that. So I'm going to literally try my hand at it, and I'm really scared. You obviously have to use gel colors, because I was going to use biryani orange color, and then someone told me, I was like, where am I going to get freaking gel colors from?
So you can even get liquid food colors fine. It's okay.
Yeah.
So you don't necessarily have to use gel, but if you do get liquid colors, you can use that as well. Preferably if you have gel colors.
Yes. So I want to let all the people out there who are listening to us and who want to bake cakes for their loved ones on their birthdays, since all the shops are shut, please don't use food color or biryani color in your cake, because it will go grey. Yeah, learn from the intelligent ones. Yeah, more from the foolish ones. No, but tell us, what are you baking for us today, Pooja? How are you going to make it?
So the whole world is making banana bread. That's the trend. Like everyone is making banana bread. So I wanted to see how can I make banana bread with what's available easily in the pantry. So we're making suji and ghee and jaggery banana bread.
Woohoo! This is like a superfood cake. Amazing.
So for me, basically, it was a little bit challenging because I've never really done. And we're going to cook it in a pressure cooker. So
because not everyone has an oven at home.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So this was the challenging part.